Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the cover to a card in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards, where we have our boards based on the workspaces that we have. From here we have to go into one, then in one of the lists that we have to tap on a card, and here if you scroll up, there's going to be a little button with the cover next to it. We tap on this, and here we can just customize the look of the card that we have. We can select color, we can add some attachments, we can select some pictures from Unsplash, and yeah, let's say we select green, and then we can just customize it even more with the sizes and everything. After we are done, we just press back and it's going to be updated. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.